బాబు రసులు వెనక
شواري كنتو سامية فقط أمور تكرار میکنه 5 شوار مشخص داره اون شوارای ما فقط شواری دونمون UN یا United Nations should not do not legitimate Taliban شواری سیما stand with Panjshir شواری فقط 5 شواری کنتو سامية 5 شوار را تکرار میکنه آتی بهتر میکنه پوستری علیده بلند میکنه ما فقط شواری ما
అలా అనుకో వాళ్ళు సైడ్లో నేను రాను ధర్నా తీయాలి నేను రాను రారా అంటుంటే
Afghanistan deserves freedom. Afghanistan deserves freedom. Taliban. United Nations Women's rights matter. Women's rights matter. Stand with Panjshir. Pakistan start supporting Taliban. United Nations not legitimate Taliban. Women's rights matter. Stand with Panjshir. Pakistan stop supporting Taliban. Pakistan stop
Good morning to all of you. No, it's okay for me. As you know better, today all the students gathered here for raising their voices for Afghanistan. Because now you know and now you see through the media that Afghanistan is bleeding and also Taliban took the control of Afghanistan and they are going to dispute against the Afghanistan people. Every day they are killing civilians and innocent people in Afghanistan. And today, as a young generation and the students they gathered here, they are trying to raise their voices for civilians in Afghanistan that every day they are burning in Afghanistan. And we want from the United Nations, they should not legitimate and they should not legitimize the Taliban government because we don't accept the regime that they came by force in Afghanistan. The Afghanistan people once have the experience of 5 years of Taliban regime from 1996 up to 2001. They had a very bad system on that time. They tortured lots of people. They banned the freedom of speech at that time. They destroyed all the schools, universities, and they didn't allow women to work at the time. And now with all these issues, the people of Afghanistan cannot accept and cannot believe the Taliban because there is no guarantee that tomorrow they will increasing their tortures the people and they will do lots of bad things to the people as well. Therefore, we want from the United Nations and its allies and the other countries, at least they should stand for humanity. At least they should stand with the people of Afghanistan that every day they are being killed by Taliban. This is our protest and the reasons we protested. And we want freedom of our country. It is a priority of our country that we need from the United Nations and from the other countries. At least they should stand with us. At least they should raise their voices for innocent people that they are living in Afghanistan and right now they are stuck in Afghanistan and they can't defend themselves. Right now, through the media you are watching that some of people in Afghanistan, they are telling that Afghanistan is calm. This is completely incorrect because the Taliban took the control of Afghanistan and therefore the people cannot raise their voice in Afghanistan. As you watched some of the poster in here, you can see that the Taliban how behaved with the press, media, journalists and the people that they work with the government and they work with the media, how they behave with them. With such a conditions, we can't believe the Taliban that they will bring relief in Afghanistan. They will